Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Shortcut Studio Bridge75, a 75% layout mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the custom keyboard community. This keyboard promises a blend of premium build quality, advanced customization, and exceptional sound. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are strong. The Bridge75 boasts a CNC aluminum top case and a solid steel bottom. This combination gives it a hefty, premium feel that screams durability. The minimalist design is clean and sophisticated, making it a great addition to any desk setup. The full metal frame minimizes internal movement, which not only extends the keyboard's lifespan, but also contributes to its overall sound quality. One of the standout features of the Bridge75 is its hot swappable switch design. This allows you to easily replace the switches without any soldering, making it incredibly easy to experiment with different switch types to find your perfect feel. The flexible PCB ensures compatibility with a wide range of switches, giving you complete control over your typing experience. Whether you prefer linear, tactile, or clicky switches, the Bridge75 has you covered. Speaking of sound, the Bridge75 is designed with a gasket mount structure and multi-layer sound dampening. This includes INOAC pour-on foam, IPXC sheet, EPDM case foam, and an anti-static pad. The result is a keyboard that sounds incredibly refined. The gasket mount minimizes vibrations and enhances typing stability, making each keystroke feel satisfying and sound premium. It creates a quieter, more comfortable environment, whether you're gaming or typing for extended periods. The Bridge75 offers versatile connectivity options, including Type-C wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless modes. This ensures fast and stable connections with all your devices. Switching between modes is effortless, making it perfect for gaming, work, or multi-device tasks. The keyboard also features a 4,000 mAh battery, providing ample power for extended use without needing to constantly recharge. Inside, the Bridge75 comes with Princess linear switches, which are known for their smooth and consistent keystrokes. These switches provide a comfortable typing experience right out of the box, but the hot swappable design means you can easily swap them out if you prefer something different. Overall, the Shortcut Studio Bridge75 is a well-built, highly customizable keyboard that delivers on its promises. Its premium build quality, advanced customization options, and exceptional sound make it a standout choice in the 75% keyboard market. If you're looking for a keyboard that offers both style and performance, the Bridge75 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.